Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. Today we're making the Espresso Martini, the drink that says, I want to look classy, but I also want to text my ex at 3 a.m. with full energy and zero shame. This cocktail has held a commanding spot on most of the best cocktail lists. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it even more delicious. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this cocktail was invented in the 1980s by bartender Dick Bradsell. A model walked in and said, "Make me something that'll wake me up and then mess me up." And he delivered. Honestly, it's the same vibe as me ordering Taco Bell at 2 a.m. in the morning. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Grey Goose vodka, smooth, elegant, and slightly overpriced, just like your last date. Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur, basically the cool kid of the coffee booze world. Fresh espresso, not instant, not cold brew, not that sad office Keurig, actual espresso. Vanilla rich simple syrup. This adds sweetness, but it's a bougie sweetness. And for garnish, 3 coffee beans. They're supposed to symbolize health, wealth, and happiness. Personally, I think they symbolize wide awake, tipsy, and bad ideas. Now let's get into the bill. We're going to throw it all into your shaker tin. First, 1 ounce of Grey Goose vodka. Next, 1 ounce of Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur. Now 1 ounce of fresh espresso. If you managed to spill the espresso, congrats. You've just made your bar smell like a Starbucks crime scene. Finally, 1/2 ounce of vanilla syrup. Add some nugget ice to your glass to chill it. Here I'm using the eCozy ice and water dispenser. Then add some ice to your shaker tin. Now shake the life out of it. I'm serious, this cocktail needs aggression. Shake it like you're trying to erase your student loans. That's how you get that frothy foam on top. Double strain into a chilled martini glass. Smooth, elegant, like James Bond, but with insomnia. Top it off with 3 coffee beans. It looks elegant, sure, but really they're just here so people know you didn't make a mudslide by mistake. And there you have it, the Espresso Martini. Let's go in for a taste, y'all. Cheers. Oh yeah. So, first the espresso punches you in the face like surprise bills on payday. Then the vodka slides in smooth, like it's trying to apologize. The coffee liqueur and the vanilla sweeten things up, so it's basically dessert that slaps you awake. Frothy, silky, and dangerous. It's like tiramisu with a criminal record. And that's the Espresso Martini, a cocktail so classy it belongs on a runway, and so chaotic it belongs in a therapy session. Smash that like button, subscribe for more cocktails, and tell me in the comments, are you drinking this to start the night, survive the night, or completely ruin tomorrow? Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.